Hello. So I'm ready to submit my label to my printer. And I want to package it all together so that everything is together. A very common problem we encounter in the printing industry is a file submitted without links, that is to say, images that are imported into our final document, or fonts, fonts that are used by our text. And the way we avoid submitting a file without the right fonts and links is to package it up. Illustrator has a really handy way of doing this. So in Illustrator, I've got my document, I've got my links, they're all linked up, my file looks correct on my side, but if I only send the Illustrator file, it's not going to have the fonts to show my text, and it's not going to have the link that's in my file. So to do that, I go File, Package, and I select a place for where I want my package to be, and I can give it a name. Let's say Syrah 2023. And I want to copy links. I want to collect the links in a separate folder. I want all these checkboxes on so that everything gets submitted. And I go click Package, and then it allows me to look at that package. So here we have Syrah 2023. It was put on my desktop like I asked it to be, and inside it is my link that I've imported in and the fonts that are used in my document. So now to submit this, I'm going to compress it into a zipped archive, and then that zipped archive can be sent by email or FTP or WeTransfer. Any way you want to get it to us, Dropbox, we're happy to take it. Thanks so much for watching.